Hey, this is Rocher from Real Digital Success, and today we're talking about launch jacking. I'm going to talk about what launch jacking is, how exactly you can do it, and if it is the thing for you to do by talking about the pros and the cons. But before we get into it, I want to give you a quick reminder to take a look at the links in the description because there I will be putting all the resources I mentioned in this video, plus a lot of other resources that can help you on your money making journey in the short term and in the long term. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into it. So, what is launch jacking? Launch jacking is an affiliate strategy that focuses on promoting products that haven't launched yet. This strategy is designed to avoid competition and increase the chances of people looking at your affiliate offers. So, how does it work? The moment people have a product launch, they're going to put a lot of money and attention into the marketing of it. So at the start of a product launch, there's going to be an enormous boost of traffic because they will be focusing on their SEO, paid advertising, and all kinds of other things to get the most amount of eyes on their product. So what happens most of the time is the moment people see an ad of the product, they're going to be curious about what it is all about and if it is worth the money. That's when they start to Google the products, go on YouTube, and find as much information as they need to make a decision if they're going to invest money in it or not. The cool thing about this is if it is a new product, those keywords that are going to form haven't been there for long. So a lot of people that have done affiliate marketing for decades haven't occupied those search result pages. This makes it easier for newer affiliate marketers and smaller pages to get ranked and get eyes on their affiliate offers. But how exactly do we perform launch checking? I'm going to get into that right now. First off, let's start off with what you exactly need to start launch checking. One, a working computer with access to the internet. Two, access to a product launch calendar. Three, a website. And four, an affiliate product that hasn't been launched yet or has been recently launched. So now that we know these four things, we're going to get into. So now that we know about these four things, let's get into the actual steps to perform launch checking. I'm going to give you a little bit of a bird's eye view to show you what exactly you need to do. First off, there are multiple websites where you can see product launches, but the most popular one at the moment is muncheye.com. It has an entire calendar that shows all the products that are going to be launched on websites like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. The one thing you're going to have to take into account if you're going to do this is that most of these products that are going to get launched and are on Muncheye mostly have to do with the make money online, digital marketing, and SEO niches. Yes, there are affiliate products from other niches, but the rate of launches that are being done in those niches tend to be a little bit less than those in those primarily niches. So let's take a look at muncheye.com. So as you see right here, we are on muncheye.com and you can literally see the launches with the dates and everything. You can see the bigger launches, you can see the things that have just been launched, and you can see all the launches in general. As you can see here, also most of these products that are going to be launched are from Warrior Plus, which you can see by the W Plus, or JVZoo, and they have some from Pay Kickstart. The cool thing is, next to the name, you can see the exact commissions that you are going to get. So, for example, let's take a look at Andrew Fox, Chris Fox, Sappable. The products is basically $979, but you'll get a commission of 50%, which means 50% of every purchase goes to you if you refer them to them. So let's take a look at this product. As you can see here, the launch date is October 18, 2022. So it's a while before it actually get launched, but you can still get some information beforehand. As you can see here, you have a lot of information and links already. So you have the affiliate network, that's JVZoo. You have the JV page where you will find the information for those that are going to promote it and in which niche it is. It's software. So let's go to the JV page and check it out. So as you can see here, it's an instant mobile app maker, and it's the agency edition of it. Then let's see what we have. If I want our affiliate links, we can click here. This is probably going to direct me to JVZoo, where you can get the link. Then they'll have some information here already. And let's see. Hopefully, aside from this information, yeah, they have here their basically their map with all kinds of upsells. So this is basically the customer journey that they'll go through. So it starts with the app for a price of 497 euros. So you'll get a commission there of 50% from what I see. Then you'll have the 12-month app builder access, which comes with a one-time commission, but it has recurring costs. Then you have the upsells, got some templates, and then you got the agency edition right here. You also got a downsell. So this way you'll get an idea of what you're promoting and how you can promote it. Then they they basically have a display video of what this product is all about, so you can use that
So
in your
welcome to
videos.
Read listing. That's
So
all.
that's pretty handy for your marketing as well. And then they'll have some more information. So let's get into how you can get the link. So basically you click here and you can choose for which page you want the affiliate link. I'm going to go for the sales page in this case. And here you'll end up at JVZoo. And then what you can do right here is you can, when you log in, you can basically on this page you can get your affiliate link. I'm going to make a video of how JVZoo works for beginners. So the moment I've made that, I'm going to put a card right here so you can see exactly how that's done. But basically here you'll get your affiliate link that you can use for promoting the content. Also on this page, if you're logged in, you can find ways to contact the vendor. So what I normally would do back in the day is then ask the vendor if I could get a test version of the product so I can make my own display videos, which will help with the marketing of the product. Some will agree to give it to you, others won't. But most of the time, they also have their own videos that you can use in your marketing. So after you've got accepted and everything, then it's time to make the content. There are basically multiple ways that you can create content for launch jacking, but the most popular ones are these right here. So it's either through a blog, you create blog posts with reviews and demonstrations. It could be YouTube videos. You can try paid advertising, even though I don't really recommend it because you can get the traffic for free, especially if they're boosting it already with their own paid traffic. Or what you could also use is use pop ups if you already have a website with traffic to direct it to the pages where you're promoting the launch jacking products. After that, you're going to build a bonus page. So why do you need a bonus page? Because you're not the only one watching this video. There are hundreds and thousands of people, maybe not even watching this video, but other videos about launch jacking and are giving it a try. So even though the competition is less, there's still competition out there. So you're not guaranteed to get any sales. This is why people always create bonus pages, because bonus pages make you stand out from other people and entices people to click on your link instead of other people's links. There are a lot of ways you can get these bonuses. You can create your own bonuses, but you can also get bonuses from, for example, PLR websites that already have these bonuses available. And there are all kinds of other programs that you can use to create your own bonus pages that already come with bonuses. If you're interested in that, I'm going to put a link in the description for you to use for those bonus pages so you can take advantage of that without wasting any time. So, should you consider doing launch jacking? Well, that depends. I'm going to give you some pros and cons, and then you can decide for yourself. So, first off, let's take a look at the pros. It's often very cheap to use launch jacking. Most people don't put any money in their marketing when it comes to launch jacking because there aren't a lot of players with a lot of authority aiming for these products. So, it's relatively easy if you do it a lot to get people to your website. Second, I've already talked about it, but you're dealing with less competition. If you're just starting affiliate marketing, you could make money probably easier with this than with the other methods. So that's why it's very attractive to start launch checking. This might sound good, but there are also a lot of cons that you'll have to take into account. First off, it doesn't build you authority. Especially with websites and YouTube, you're going to have to build trust with people before they're going to part with their money. Most of the time, this is done based on trust. A lot of people recommend a lot of sketchy products, so people are going to have to trust you first before they'll take your recommendations seriously. In launch jacking, you're mostly just making product reviews. I've seen a lot of blogs that just do product reviews and nothing else. And that's cool, but that doesn't mean you'll gain trust from the viewers so they'll actually buy something from your links. The second con is most of the products aren't of high quality. So, sure, there are a lot of launches going on and all that kind of stuff, but that doesn't guarantee that all those products are going to be legit. Yes, it's very safe to say that most of them aren't scams or in any way, but that doesn't mean they're the best products out there and if they're worth the money. And with launch checking, you always have to. So this also connects a little bit to the trust factor because if you're only making reviews of these mid quality or mid tier products, you're not going to build a lot of trust with people. The third con is that launch jacking products aren't evergreen. Most of the time, in the beginning, there's going to be this boost of traffic because the vendors they're marketing it themselves. But most of the time, after 2 or 3 weeks, the audience basically dies down. For most that get into affiliate marketing, they're getting into it because they're trying to find more of a consistent and passive way to build an income. Launch jacking isn't that. Most of the time with launch jacking, you're making reviews every day and that will keep on going. And the pay you'll get per month is most of the time very inconsistent. So some months you might get into the thousands of dollars, and other months you're not making anything at all. So, is launch jacking something for you? Well, that's up for you to decide. But if you're interested in doing it in another way and getting more consistent income, even though it will take a little bit more time, then I have a link in the description to a affiliate marketing course that I used to start my own business. And yeah, hopefully it will be of value to you. I'll also the moment I'll get my tutorials about Warrior Plus and JVZoo up, I'll put those in the description as well. So you can see exactly how you can use that in combination with this video to start your launch jacking journey. And yeah, that's all I had to say for today. This is Rocher here from Real Digital Success saying peace.